Hey, what's up guys? Blueface here, and now we are playing LBSG survival games. Now I'm using another account named J12G. So if you want to play, just chat me in down below. I will invite what IP? Oh, Moonlight Lake. So let's join here. Oh, one. Oh, it's super. It's a little bit lag, so it's 1 minute. So I'll be right back, guys. So here, guys, 3, 2, 1, go, 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 go. By the way, guys, I am VIP Plus. Let's see. Oh, good item, good item, good item. All right, so let's put this on. So yeah, let's kill a player. Let's kill that player. Oh, it's a little bit a lag. Oh crap. Oh crap. Oh crap. Why? Oh crap. It's so lag. Oh my. What the? It's so lag. The hell? My Wi-Fi is fine. The hell? Oh man. Alright. We are playing. So, I'll be right back, guys. I'll be right back. Alright, guys. 1 minute before the game. So, we are waiting here. We are in Breeze Island 2. So, let's find the team and kill them. My secret is I will team a player and I will kill him. Okay, let's team. Said KT Minecraft PE. So Lily Z sure about me. What about me? Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, run! Run! Oh my gosh! Run! 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 Get the chest! Get the chest! Oh my! Food! 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 I need food sticks. All right, so let's kill a person here. Let's kill that player. 15 seconds of invincibility left, so we can follow this player and kill him. Just following us. Nothing. Oh, you are no longer invisible, so we can kill this player. Oh no, I'm not teaming with you, Oliver Alejandro. I will kill you, Oliver Alejandro. Oh my gosh, my screen, it's so lag. What the? Oh crap, it's so lag. Oh man. Oh. Oh. Oh my gosh, it's so lag. I can. Oh my. It's teleporting. Why LBSG is so lag now? Why now? Why now? It's my first video. LBSG, it's my first video. I can't kill you. Oliver Alejandro. It's right pronunciation. Alejandro, not Alejandro. It's Alejandro. Oh my gosh. Let's kill this Alejandro. I want to call him Alejandro. 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 Ah, I'm here. I think 2 hits. I will kill him. Alright, 1 hit. 1 hit. So we got 1 kill. Let's kill that 2 team. Lewis Z said team. Oh, jump, jump, jump. No, no, no. Oh my, the heck. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'll be right back, guys, again. Alright, guys. 15 seconds before the game. Super lag. What the hell? Let's go that. Just. Diamond. Wood, wood, wood. Alright, we're dope, we're dope, we're dope. We're done, we're done. Put this on. So, let's kill this kid 995. Kid 1 kid. Because he got no stuff. ZXD1 is there. Alright, so let's go. I'll kill you. Where is he? My God. He's teleporting. Oh no, I'm dead. I'm dead. Oh my gosh, LBSG. Why is so lag now? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I have no win. This is my first video and I don't have a win in survival games. So this is it, guys. And here. So enjoy. Don't forget to hit a like and subscribe. Thank you, guys. Peace out.